This tutorial is going to show you how to create a very simple stop frame animation using Macromedia Fireworks. Open a new document and set the height and width. Okay, so we've got a new document. For this tutorial we're going to use an ellipse. Draw an ellipse on the page, doesn't matter where you put it. Okay, so now we've got what appears to be a ball on the frame. I've got the frames and history open on this side of the Macromedia Fireworks, and what we need to do now is duplicate a frame. So we add a frame in after the current frame. Using the pointer tool, move our ball down slightly and then duplicate another frame. Continue doing this until you've built up a complete picture of the ball appearing to move. Our ball's now reached the bottom of the frame, and what would be really neat here is if we could show the ball distorting so it appears more realistic. Using the fill handle on the side of our object, drag it down so it appears that the ball is flexing, and duplicate another frame. Now it's going to be quite difficult to recreate the original shape without it appearing to still be distorted. So go back to frame 12 or 13, whichever looks best in your opinion, and duplicate the frame and place it at the end of the frame set. Now we can test this quickly and just make sure that everything appears to be working okay. So the ball drops to the bottom, appears to distort, and then bounces back up. Once you've completed adding in all the frames that you want for your stop frame animation, over here I've got up to 23 frames now, test it in Fireworks to make sure it appears to be working okay. In this sequence the ball's dropping out of the screen, but at the top you can see it's still distorting as it was before. And this is only down to the size that I'm recording for the video. Now, to be able to use this effectively on any image viewer and use it for other purposes, we need to save it not as a PNG but as an animated GIF. And here you can see I've got a couple of examples. I'm just going to save this as bouncing ball finished 1 and click save. Now you can see the ball is bouncing up and down in our screen in a standard image viewer. In this instance I'm using IR fan view, which is quite a good image viewer, but it just for the purpose of the tutorial shows that once you've saved it as an animated GIF you can export it and use it in any viewer you choose.